loves to talk. Look what I have for you today, part 2 of the Demeter fragrances. And it's a lot. I'm picking up from where I left off earlier, and I will be doing the astrology Zodiac collection and some other little cute finds. Again, the Demeter fragrance is a family-owned company, small business here in America. I believe they're in Pennsylvania. I ordered these fragrances directly from them, and a few weeks before that, I ordered the first batch from Zodiac, which is a great place to get your fragrances. Again, let's get into it. Demeter Zodiac collection, Foolproof blending sampler pack. Okay, so I went ahead and I picked some of the ones that I like right off the bat, and I'm going to start with Pisces. That's because I'm a Pisces. Two of my best friends are, one of my co-workers, my grandmother, my mom. It's like, I know, a bunch of Pisces. So I'm going to start off with this one. Pisces, this one is Lime, Verbena, and Vivator. I don't know if I'm saying that right. Okay. Okay. It smells fresh, like rain. It's not strong, it's light. It's pretty good. Okay, moving on, Cancer. That's because my niece and one of our church members is a Cancer. Vanilla Bean and Yang Yang. Let's see what this. Okay. Light, refreshing, crisp. Okay, I smell light vanilla. Okay, Scorpio. That is cashmere, musk, and bergamot. My stepfather was a Cancer. A Scorpio. Okay, let's see. I like this one. It's a stronger scent, and I can smell the musk. I like this one. Okay, just because you're not a Scorpio doesn't mean that you can't wear a Scorpio. Okay, moving on, Leo. Okay, my youngest sister's a Leo. Black pepper, bitter, blossom orange. Okay, let's see what this is about. Okay, this one's nice. It's not heavy, it's light, crisp, refreshing. Okay, moving on. Sagittarius. One of my best friends was a Sagittarius. Amber, oud, and saffron. Let's see. Okay, this one here, it smells light. In fact, all of these so far are light except for Scorpio. Capricorn, clary sage, black cardamom, and cassia bark. My grandfather was a Capricorn, as well as my grandmother on my mom's side. Okay, so let's see what this is about. I like this one. Sweet. This is everyday. I like that one. Okay, so let's see what we have with Libra. Okay, I don't know any Libra, so I'm just going to tell you yay or nay. This is light. It's nice. Nothing stands out. I can't identify a particular fragrance, a particular note. Okay, let's see what Taurus. Okay, I work with some Taurus. Okay. This one's light. I don't know what the note is. I can't identify it. Aries. Okay, let's see. I don't know any Aries. They got no, I like this one. It's a little stronger than the others. next to Scorpio. Yeah, I like this one. This is Aries. I know Halle Berry's supposed to be an Aries. Okay, one of my favorite actresses. Okay, Aquarius. My aunt is an Aquarius. Okay. Okay, light. I like this one. Romantic. Fresh. This is Aquarius. This is a nice one also. Okie moving along, Gemini. Okay, the twins. Let's see. The twins. Light. I'm not picking up on a note. I'm sorry, y'all, but I'm not. Virgo. Y'all know who's a Virgo, right? Michael Jackson. The great Michael Jackson was a Virgo. Okay, let's see. This one is light. Sorry. This is still a good buy, a good package. You know, what you can do is pick out the ones that you like and give the others as little gifts, like in a little grab bag. To me, so far, the best ones was Scorpio. I like out of this pack, I would say about three or four of them I really liked. Okay, moving on. And this is what I like again about Demeter. You can either order these little small bottles or the big one, or get the little small vials like this. So they make it very affordable for you to pick what you like. Okay, fruit salad. Peach, tangerine, pear, and raspberries. Awesome. Okay, I'm having trouble getting this. Okay. Okay, let's see. And this one doesn't have a squirt. You have your sprayer. It smells like Jello. It smells sweet. It smells like Jello. It's nice. Okay, our next one. Watermelon lollipop. Please, I hope it smells just like a watermelon. Okay, just like a lollipop. One of those little jelly beans. Okay, let's see. Yes. Yes, it's sweet. It smells like a jelly bean. It's not a strong watermelon, but it smells like a candy, like a lollipop, but I'm not really smelling a strong watermelon. Okay, moving on. White bouquet, white floral flowers. Okay, let's see. Oh, I'm having a hard time opening. Golly. What? Sorry, y'all. Okay, let's see. Light, crisp, refreshing. It's not heavy, it's not powdery. This one is very light. This is everyday work, will not be intrusive. Okay, moving on. Classic Foolproof blending. And I cannot stop saying enough good things about this company. Variety pack. Salt air. Let's see. Salt air. I'm thinking beach. Fresh, crisp, not heavy. Kind of reminds me of the beach. Pure soap. I think we know what pure soap. When I think of pure soap, I'm thinking about Ivory or Dove. Yes, maybe smell like washing powder. I like this one. Pure soap. Moving on, Sunshine. Sunshine. Wow. I like this. Summertime. Sunshine. I can't pick up on a particular note. It just smells fresh, clean. Okay, here we have clean skin. We all want clean skin. It smells clean. It also kind of reminds me of the soap. Nice. The next one, baby powder. Okie dokie. That baby powder coming on strong. I mean, it smells just like Johnson's baby powder. Nice. 5.5. I might give it a 10. Okay. Rain. Pure rain. Fresh, crisp, light. I don't really smell too much other than fresh, clear, crisp, and light. That baby powder's still in the air. Okay, Kitten Fur. I don't know. I love cats, but I don't own a cat. Okay. Nice. Young, dewy, clean. I don't really, almost cozy. I would give this one right here a 4. I like that one. Kitten Fur. All you people that own the little cats or you like the movie Cats, perfect. Okay, our last one, myrrh. When I think of myrrh, frankincense, sandalwood, think of the Holy Land. It's gonna be one of my future trips. Okay, I'm smelling a little something like woods, a nuttiness. I would give this one a 3. Out of this whole box, classic foolproof blending, I would say I'm impressed with the baby powder, Kitten Fur, pure soap, and I want to say between Sunshine and Salt Air. But again, you cannot lose with getting the classic foolproof blending or the ones that I did yesterday. I think they had sexy foolproof blending. Again, please, I need your comments, so let me know if you enjoyed the video. Have you seen the Demeter products anywhere other than going online to their website or Zodiac? Because I've never seen these like at Ross or TJ Maxx. Thank you. Click and subscribe if you enjoyed it. Again, peace and have good luck. Thank you so much. Thank you.